I will give some time at the ending as well to ask the questions if you guys have anything. Okay, let me open a notepad. So I just want to give a small introduction about myself before starting off this session. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have nearly 13 plus years of experience in IT industry. In these 13 years of experience, I work for SQL, MSBI, Power BI, and Azure Data Engineering and Microsoft Fabric and Snowflake also. These are the technologies what I've been working in these 13 years of experience. And I have nearly 7 plus years of IT trainings and placement assistance experience as well. So I had so many batches across the globe like India, UK, USA, Australia, many countries I have given the training, and I was started this e-classes training institution in 2016. You can visit our website as well. We are located in Hyderabad, and you can able to see our office premises as well. So this is e-classes office premises located in Hyderabad location. Okay, and also I have one YouTube channel as well, so you guys can able to subscribe this YouTube channel also. Okay, this is our YouTube channel, e-classes education. You guys can able to subscribe this YouTube channel as well. Okay, and this is what like our YouTube channel. Almost we have 12,000 plus subscribers available, and I'm uploading daily some videos inside this YouTube channel also. Okay, so simply you can go to the YouTube and type for education like e-classes education, e-classes education. So this is our channel. This is our channel. Let me share this channel link as well, and you can able to subscribe this channel as well. Let me click on that link, and please click on subscribe the channel as well. Okay, so in our e-classes training institution, we are located in Hyderabad. For every student to make more comfortable when they are learning, if you see in any other institution, they are going to give you daily trainings on the Google Meet or GoToMeeting or Zoom, and also they are going to making of the recording videos will be uploaded into Google Drive, and they are going to making of all the sessions are going to be uploaded daily by evening, or there is a lot of delay to upload the videos. So that is the reason what I'm trying to do. We are going to make a LMS portal. What do you mean by LMS portal? LMS is something like a Udemy, and it is something like a uh, Skill Nation, something like that. Learning management system portal. So inside this LMS portal, it's a free of cost. You can able to register for this one, and inside we are going to conduct daily live classes, and also you are going to get class recording videos regularly. You are going to get the class recording videos regularly, and also we are going to share the daily class notes, and we are conducting some free tests as well, and also we are going to provide you some free courses as well. And in any other institution you can verify, after the session completion, the trainer is not available for you. Okay, after the session completion, the trainer is not available for you. Okay, to clarify the doubts, again you need to wait the next day. uh, Next day in the session only you can ask the questions. But in our e-classes, we are providing this LMS portal, and this mobile app also we are giving a free of cost. For every student, we are giving one mobile app to access all these things. So here we have a chat option in our mobile app or LMS portal. You can directly chat with me if you have any questions when you are going to practicing. Okay, and also we are going to conduct some chat groups as well. We are going to conduct some chat groups as well, like your batchmates. You can able to discuss about your course and all those things. Okay, so this is what like to make every student comfort, we are providing all these services from our e-classes. And also one more thing, if you observe, in any other institution, mostly 90 percentage trainer is different, owner is different, management is different. But here in this e-classes, I am the managing director, I am the trainer for the e-classes. I'm always available for the students to make their career counseling if they have any doubts, not only the technical, about their job and career gap. All those kind of I'm discussing with the students directly. If you want to download our e-classes mobile app, simply you can go to the Android mobile. In the App Store, you can search for e-classes. If you are using iOS mobile, then you can able to download it as a My institute is the app name. Simply download and you can able to register into the our LMS portal. While you are registering into LMS portal, it is going to ask your organization code. You have to provide as a SUFKN and enter your mobile number. It will send one OTP. If you are from out of India, you have to use email address instead of the mobile number for registration process. It is completely free of cost. If you want to register from your laptop, simply goes to our website eclasses.com. So inside this website, you can see on the right side there is a LMS login over here. If you are clicking on this LMS login, then you can able to register. I'm sharing this link also for registration process. Simply click on that link and you can able to log into the LMS portal as well. So this is what like our e-classes is offering for every student free of cost, this kind of services over here. Okay, so coming to the point, like when you are going to learn this course, the many people who are having different kind of backgrounds, like a, let's take one simple example. A person who is passed out in between 2010 to 2023 or 2024, and a person who is passed out from 2010 to in between 2023. Okay, 23. And another person is also passed out from 2010 in between to 2023. So when he is completing his graduation or post graduation in between this year of range, some people are 2014, some people are 2019, some people are 2011. Okay, let's take the first category people. A person, his name is Ramesh. Ramesh has passed out his graduation in 2010 to 23 in between any of 1 year. Immediately he got a IT job as a fresher. Very good and congratulate him. He gained almost 9 years closely as experience on a Java. But now he want to upskill his knowledge and changing his technology into Microsoft Fabric. Then after completion of this Microsoft Fabric course, when he's going to applying for the jobs, definitely he's going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience jobs. Am I right or wrong? Definitely he's going to apply for the 2 to 5 years of the experience jobs only. He is not going to apply like a fresher. He is a guy who already working in the IT job. Okay. Next category. A person, Rajesh. He is passed out in 2010 in between 2023. It might be at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, any of the 1 year. But at the time, he joined as a non-IT employee because he was not getting the IT job, and he joined as a non-IT employee. So in the non-IT employee, when he is working, then what kind of job he was working? He working for the recruiter job, HR, or a civil, or a mechanical, or a Google Maps, whatever it is, or a accountant. He worked for different kind of jobs over here. He worked for different kind of jobs over here. So similarly, he wants to come to IT industry now. So far he worked for non-IT, but he want to come to IT. So he's going to learn a course of Microsoft Fabric. He gained 2 to 5 years of experience over here. He gained 2 to 5 years of experience over here. Then after the third category, in between 2010 to 2023 passed out only, but he don't have any experience. He don't have any work experience so far over here. He was preparing for government exams, groups, banks, and he has done some business, and so finally he has some career gap nearly 9 years or 10 years or 5 years or 4 years. Now he want to move to IT industry. He want to learn Microsoft Fabric course. It is going to be 2 to 5 years of experience. Okay. So fourth category, 2023 to 24 passed out, and he just wants to join this Fabric course and he wants to apply for the job of the Fabric. So this is how we are going to having four different kind of category people. Can you guys ping me in the chat? You belongs to which category? Category 1 or category 2 or category 3 or category 4? Which category you belongs? Definitely you belongs to any of one category. Can you ping me in the chat? Okay, most of the people belongs to 114. Some people having 16 years of experience. Yes, of course, you are belongs to category 1. What about others? Okay, so these kind of people, when they want to learn something, a course is related to data side. Okay, because nowadays the importance of the data is increasing day by day, day by day. Nowadays, the importance of the data is increasing day by day. So when you are coming to the data side, there are three different kind of jobs are available, or the courses are available related to the data. One is about a data engineering course, another one is a data analysis course, another one is a data science course. If you want to become a data engineer, either you can learn Azure Data Engineer or a AWS Data Engineering course completely in the cloud environment, or GCP Data Engineering course. These are the three popular cloud based data engineering courses currently in the market to implement the data engineering or courses. And the second one is a data analysis course. Mostly we are using Power BI, Tableau, and ClickView. These are the different kind of data analysis jobs we are going to recommending it over here. And the third one is about the data science. Data science is all about a machine learning, some machine learning models, advanced predictions. These kind of things we are going to teach you in this one. For that you can use either Azure Machine Learning Studio and some other tools also available. So when you want to learn any course related to data, these are the three different courses you need to learn: either data engineer or data analysis or data scientist. Okay, so first let's understand what a data engineer will do, and what a data analyst will do, what a data scientist will do. A data engineer is basically processing of the business data by using some ETL services and storing into the cloud environment. Let's take one use case example over here. I'm running a supermarkets in India and USA. In every supermarket there is a billing counter. In every billing counters there is a transactions are happening by the customers when he is buying the product. Immediately the transactions data will come and store in the backend business database servers. This is happening in every business application in India and USA. In every supermarket, the business transactions data we are capturing and storing over here. As a data engineer, what you are going to do, by using some ETL services, softwares, you need to extract the data, transform the data, and loading the data into one centralized location that we are calling it as a data warehousing. So to implement these ETL data pipelines and storing a data in a cloud, both we are doing by using some softwares available inside the cloud environment. So which cloud you want to choose for this one? Either you want to choose for this like a Azure cloud data engineering, or AWS or GCP, you need to use any of one. So once your data is coming to one centralized location, you are going to designing of the reports and dashboards by using some data what you have stored inside the centralized location. Who will do this one? Data analyst. What softwares he is going to use? He is going to use a Power BI or Tableau or whatever it is. Okay, so he's a data analyst. Data scientist means whatever the business data you have here, right, that he is going to apply some machine learning models, some advanced things he is going to perform. For that one mostly we are going to use this Azure Machine Learning Studio. So this is how to perform a data engineering, a data analyst, or a data scientist. Three different courses you need to learn so far. But now Microsoft, what they are doing, they are simplifying all these three into one place. You no need to learn to become a data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, three different courses. One single course is enough. What is that single course? The single course is a Microsoft Fabric. What is Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is software as a service. Microsoft company offering some softwares in the cloud web browser. You can access to implement projects related to data engineering, data analyst, data scientist, all in one place. That is called Microsoft Fabric. So Microsoft Fabric is a combination of Azure Data Engineering, Power BI, and Azure Machine Learning Studio. All the three they are keeping into single place. Now if you are learning this Microsoft Fabric course, you will become a data engineer, you will become a data analyst, you will become a data scientist. All the three jobs you can able to apply with a single course. So they are making simplifying all the things earlier what you have in Azure Data Engineering and Power BI and Azure Machine Learning Studio. These three courses they are simplifying, and they are going to making available inside the Microsoft Fabric, making available inside the Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so this was introduced from last 2 years only, this Microsoft Fabric in the market. It's a very huge demand, and the companies also, they don't want to invest amounts separately for data engineering. They don't want to invest separately amount for the Power BI, data science development. And also they are going to hire three different resources developers to do data engineering, data analysis, data science. It is reducing a lot of cost and lot of maintenance. This Microsoft Fabric also completely a cloud-based software as a service platform. There are providing some softwares related to the data science, data analysis, and data engineering. Prior to this Microsoft Fabric, we are using Microsoft Azure Data Engineering for data engineering purpose, Power BI for data analysis purpose, and data science purpose. We are using a machine learning studio models, and we are designing the advanced models over here. Okay, so in this course, whichever we are going to offer the Microsoft Fabric course, it is going to be where we are going to develop all these softwares project using Microsoft Fabric. You need to log into this www.app.powerbi.com. This is going to be 60 days free trial. You no need to provide any of the credit card and all those information over here. Okay, so if you want to learn a data engineering course, ideally we are learning Azure Data Engineering so far. And if you want to learn data analysis course, Power BI, data science course, Machine Learning Studio. If you are learning Microsoft Fabric, all these three will be combined inside the Microsoft Fabric. All the three will be combined. Okay, if I am learning Microsoft Fabric, how much knowledge we will gain as a Azure data engineer? 90% of the topics what we are covering inside the Azure data engineering will be covered in the Microsoft Fabric. Power BI 100% we are going to cover inside the Microsoft Fabric. Data science, machine learning also, this is not much priority for us, but we are going to cover few concepts on this one as well. So if you are learning Microsoft Fabric, you don't need to learn separately Azure Data Engineer. You don't need to learn separately Power BI. We are going to cover complete Power BI Azure Data Engineering services inside this one. We are going to cover completely this Microsoft Azure Data Engineering and Power BI services. We are going to cover inside the Microsoft Fabric. So this course is going to be nearly 2 months of the course over here. This course is going to be nearly 2 months of the course over here. So we are going to store some business data inside the cloud environment. What are all the services we are using to store the data inside the Microsoft Fabric cloud environment? We have a lake house, we have a data warehouse, and we have a KQL database. These are the three different kind of storage services available inside the Microsoft Fabric. Lake house we are going to use to store the data in terms of a files like a text, CSV, Excel, audio, video, images. These kind of files if you want to save inside, we can use this lakehouse service. Data warehousing is completely like a SQL database. If you want to store your data in terms of a uh, tables, writing of some SQL queries, you can use this data warehouse. And if you want to store your real-time data, then you can able to use the KQL database over here. Okay. Now coming to the ETL pipelines. For example, if you want to process the data from different source systems into this cloud environment, we should have some ETL services, right? What are all the ETL services we are going to cover inside this Microsoft Fabric is Data Factory, Data Flows Gen 2, Data Engineering Notebooks. We are going to use it over here. Then finally, we are going to making of Power BI for designing of the reports over here. We are going to use Power BI. So Power BI is one of the most popular tool we are going to use to developing of this one. Okay, so for designing of the reports and dashboards, we are going to use Power BI. I'm going to cover complete Power BI inside. What are all the things we have, like a Power BI desktop, Power BI desktop, Power BI cloud online services, Power BI, report server, Power BI, mobile app, and some DAX functions also we are going to cover as a part of this one. So if you want to see that what services offering currently inside the Microsoft Fabric, simply you can log into app.powerbi.com. Let me try to sign into this app.powerbi.com. Fabric means app.powerbi.com only. Here you can see in the bottom what are all the services the Microsoft Fabric is offering. Simply goes to the Microsoft Fabric. What it is offering the Microsoft Fabric, the Power BI data factory, data activator, real-time intelligence, Synapse data engineering, data science, Synapse data warehousing. These are all the things it is offering currently. We are going to teach you each and every one what the Microsoft Fabric is offering currently. So with this Microsoft Fabric, you can able to provide a complete end-to-end solution to the customer. The main advantage with this one is all in single place, and the billing also very easy. Earlier when you are developing Microsoft Azure Cloud, you have to make it separately, service to service. The billing cost is different, the usage is different, but here the compute and storage, only two costs it will be making. One is storage cost, another one is the compute cost over here. Easy to create, zero maintenance. Easy to create, zero maintenance over here. They are making more flexible for the development and making more faster as well. So in a single place, all these three, data engineering, data analysis, and data science, in a single platform in the cloud environment, only dedicated to the business intelligence data projects, Microsoft Fabric. Now most of the companies recommending to the customer also most reliable solution with easily organizing and easily managing is Microsoft Fabric. Any new projects a company is suggesting to the client, they are recommending Microsoft Fabric only. And also the existing projects inside the Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Azure, they are migrating into Microsoft Fabric only. All the new projects are coming into the Microsoft Fabric itself. Clear? So after completion of this course, it's going to be a 60 hours duration of the course. Once this 60 hours duration of the course is completed, the certification exam what you need to do is DP 600. This is the certification exam name. It's very easy. Once you are completing this course, you can able to crack that one over here. Okay, so some people can get a question over here, sir, if the Microsoft Fabric is in just 2 years back only, then when I'm going to put some experience like a 3 to 4 years of experience, how can I put my resume? So Microsoft Fabric terminology is coming from last 2 years, this platform, but the components available inside this one, Power BI and Azure Data Engineering, both are from last 10 years. So you can put your resume. I was started my career with Power BI 4 years back or 5 years back, but from last 2 years I am working on the Microsoft Fabric platform. Microsoft Fabric platform is not a new thing, it's a combination of all these things over here. So this course is 60 hours duration, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour we are going to take it. I'm going to prepare, give you some interview questions and one end-to-end project as well, and resume sample resumes also we are going to provide for you in this course over here. Okay, so this course content and this recording videos, everything, if you want to get it about the pricing and all those details, you can reach out this 79974572228, and our regular sessions when we are going to start and what timing we are going to start, every details will be provided by our coordinator Ramya, 79974572228. If you guys are already filled the form which I shared in the GoToMeeting chat, then you will receive a call over here. Okay, if anybody not yet fill the form, then please fill the form. I'm going to share it again it over here. Okay, now if you guys have any questions, I hope you understand what exactly a Microsoft Fabric is going to be offered. See, the main advantage is this is a new platform. There is no resources in the market. Whenever you want to get a job immediately, always we need to choose the right platform with the new platform. Then interview is easy, working is easy because most of the projects are in the POC, and they were starting from the scratch. Okay, another question is, sir, with this Microsoft Fabric, do I need to write any coding over here? Nothing. It's not a coding. Mostly, like out of 100, hardly 10 percentage. Sometimes I can use SQL or Python. SQL or Python. Okay, SQL or Python. Do we need to learn anything these two? If you want, you can write. If you don't want, there is a already graphical user interface is there. Automatically, it will create these commands as well. And also in the Microsoft Fabric, similar like your Chat GPT, there is a co-pilot is there. Co-pilot is writing automatically whatever the commands you want, then according to that it will write. So you no need to have in-depth knowledge on these commands also. If you just know the basic of SQL and Python, it's very fun for you. You don't need to worry about that one. And also, if you want to learn thoroughly the SQL and Python, we are conducting separate sessions like 20 hours for SQL, 25 hours for Python as well, only related to the data engineering and data analysis as well. So you just reach out our team for if you have any questions further about this one as well. Okay. So if you want to learn only Power BI also, in this course Power BI also we are going to cover. But I don't recommend only learning the Power BI, because if you see the job market, only Power BI there is no jobs. When you have a combination of all these things only, you have the jobs. Many people are doing the same blunder, like they are learning just Power BI because it is easy for them. But opportunities are very less only Power BI. Companies' expectations is increasing. So if you are telling them, I will work only Power BI inside this portal, then who will work on the remaining things? Are they going to hire for data factory and all these things a separate developer? No. If someone will come with, I have experience in Power BI, I have experience in data factory and all those things, definitely they will hire that person only. So learn complete Microsoft Fabric. Later you want to apply only Power BI job, yes, you can apply. You want to apply for a data factory, uh, data engineer job, you can apply. You can apply for a data analyst job. Multiple jobs you can apply once you are completing the Microsoft Fabric course. Once you are completing the Microsoft Fabric course, 100% is Power BI we are completing, and Power BI developer also you can able to apply for the job as well. Only Power BI course is just taking 30 to 35 hours duration only. 30 to 35 hours duration only. Just check with our team about this Power BI course content and how much price. Our regular sessions we are going to start mostly from Monday, and you guys can reach out our executive or coordinator for about further details over here. Now, if you guys have any questions, then I will allow to speak and ask the questions now. Yeah, now we can ask the questions.
Yeah, hi Ram, this is Vikas. So, like, what is
Hi,
the
Vikas.
prerequisites to learn? Yeah, hi. What is the prerequisite to learn Azure Fabric?
So there is no prerequisites to learn these courses, but my suggestion would be like whenever you want to learn any courses related to data, it might be data engineering or data science or data analysis. If you have a basic SQL Python knowledge, it's well and good. So before completion of this Fabric course, you can complete SQL and Python also.
Okay.
Python means it
Python
is not
also
about
covered
the
in this.
Python developer. Yeah.
Yeah, Ram. Python is
As a
also
part
covered in the
of
same session.
yeah, let me complete. So this Fabric course is only for 60 hours duration. It's completely focusing on the Fabric only. But if you want to learn thoroughly SQL and Python related to the data side, we are conducting separate sessions for that one. So you can take a recording videos already we have, if you want to do self-learning or if you want to join the live sessions also. We are giving very less price SQL and Python. SQL just 500 rupees and Python just 699 rupees only.
Hi Ram, good morning.
Hi. Hi, Pramod. Good morning.
Yeah, so how you are helping in the placement stuff?
So placement assistance in the sense like I can provide you like good resume preparation according to your profile. And
Okay,
the second thing is about I can take some mock interviews related to this fabric, and
okay.
I can take some interview question and answering preparation and some end-to-end projects, and I'm going to make some sprints and agile methodology, so that I'm going to plan a placement assistance program separately for the people who are looking more serious about that one, not as a part of this course actually.
Okay.
That is a separate process we are conducting.
So that is also chargeable. That also come in this.
Yeah, it is again 30 hours duration. We are going to conduct separate sessions for that one. It's like a person to person focused we need to go.
Okay. So you like suppose yeah, Microsoft Fabric is okay, and some people suggesting to do GCP data engineering, Google data engineering. So which would be the most, matlab, if good one,
I don't
matlab,
recommend. Seriously, I don't recommend GCP. You
okay,
can just go to the Naukri. Primarily
okay,
in the market, there are three clouds: GCP, AWS, Azure. Just
yeah,
search with these three which data engineering jobs are more. Definitely, you will find Azure data engineering more jobs. So
yeah,
that Azure data engineering
but
is. Hmm,
but
go
that
ahead.
person is selling say very less resource available in the market for the GCP, so the getting a job in GCP is more easier than the AWS and Azure. He was doing like that.
That experiment also we have done, but it was not
Okay,
work out.
okay, okay. So yeah, I will touch with you for the further.
Sure. Please check with our coordinator. My coordinate number
Okay,
is. Please touch in with her.
okay.
This number. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Ram. I have one
Yeah,
question.
Yeah.
Previously, you have conducted Azure data engineering session, right? So now
Yeah.
it is a Microsoft Fabric session. So
Hmm.
what is the difference between these two sessions? Like this, I'm confusion state when I'm going to Azure data engineering or Fabric. So can you
Okay.
suggest me
If
which
you
one is
observe
the
here,
better?
yeah.
Hmm,
So Microsoft Azure data engineering is like so far what companies are implementing to using the data engineering projects. So Microsoft Azure is not only for data engineering. There are several things are there. 200 plus services are there. It's a cloud from the Microsoft.
hmm,
Now,
hmm.
if you observe, when you are using Microsoft Azure, if you want to develop Power BI reports, again you need to use a separate platform. And for data science,
Correct.
separate platform. So Microsoft wants to separate because of the data importance and data projects are increasing day by day. They are making a separate platform. It's a new product in the market. It's a new product, but the capabilities and technically inside all are existing one only.
Okay.
They are combining all into
Uh,
one place. This is a new baby. This is a new baby going to be revolution in the market. So then you need to
okay.
decide
Okay.
whether you want to do a, kind of expectation and experiment with this new baby going forward easily to get the job, making more projects. The upcoming projects mostly we are expecting on this fabric. Azure data engineering is
Yeah.
already running platform.
Okay. And coming to the ADF concept only, Ram, it
Hmm.
will cover in Azure data engineering as well as Fabric, right? So,
100
uh,
percentage Azure
yeah, when I'm
data
going to
factory will
take,
be
yeah,
covered. Data bricks also will be covered.
yeah, when I'm going to take Azure data engineering or else this Microsoft Fabric, the ADF concepts are same or differ.
Same ADF concepts, data bricks concepts same. That's what I'm telling. If you
Okay.
are learning Microsoft Fabric, 90 percentage of the
Mm-hmm.
Azure data engineering will be covered.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I hope you understand.
yeah.
And
One thing
Yeah,
also
yeah.
more.
Okay.
the remaining 10 percentage is just like a graphical user interface difference.
Okay.
You are helping
Okay.
in certification.
Yes, if you need any kind of a certification guidance, our team will help you on that one as well.
Okay. Because I think certification will add some good plus point on the CV.
100 percentage our all our students are completing the certifications. If you need any kind
Uh,
of assistance also, we are providing that one.
okay.
Yeah, Hiram, Devabrat here.
Yes.
Actually, I have
Yeah,
missed
hi.
the first few times, so most of
No
the
problem.
information
Our
are
team will
missed by
share
me.
the recording video. Yeah.
Okay, just I have one question because I am belonging to non-tech part, like I am a MBA guy and working with accounts. So
Hmm.
this Microsoft Fabric will help me, or only Power BI will help me? I have no technical knowledge.
There is no only Power BI jobs in the market.
Okay,
There are so many people learn and they were not getting the calls because the
okay.
competition is
So
heavy. If you're learning complete
okay,
fabric, then you will get the jobs.
so no technical knowledge required na for this Fabric course.
Nothing. I'm going to teach you from the scratch onwards.
Great, great. Okay, done.
Okay.
Hi Ram, Vikas here.
Hi Ram.
So
Hi.
in this session, yeah, you're you're going to complete all data engineering, data analysis, and data science as well, right?
Yes.
Data science also
Data
you will
science
cover
we are
in
giving less priority.
rest of the.
Data science we are giving less priority, but data engineering, data analysis completely we are covering.
Okay.
Yeah. Go
Hi
ahead.
Ram.
Pratanya. Yeah.
Yeah. So when we search for any job or Naukri or Indeed or for Microsoft Fabric engineer or anything with Microsoft Fabric, so there's like very minimal options. So from earlier batches, do you have someone who's already working with
If you
Microsoft
see,
Fabric?
jobs are
Mm.
less. At the same time, there is no resource who know Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.
2000 plus Microsoft Fabric jobs. I don't see so far no one has completed this Fabric training or working experience.
Mm.
See, not only Microsoft Fabric, you can search like a Power BI. Power BI job is nothing but Microsoft Fabric only. You
Okay.
can search for a data engineering also. That is also related to a Microsoft Fabric only. Only with this name you might get less jobs, but
Mm.
with other naming conventions also you can able to get that one. I will prepare the resumes for you. How can you search and what kind of positions your resume can be help to filter? That guidance I will give. No problem.
Okay.
Ram, can we expect good packages for this fabric course after the
Hundred
completion of
percentage.
course?
100%. Very high demand. You can because there is no resources. You can demand as much. With 3 to 5 years of
Oh,
experience, people also getting the 15 to 20 lakhs in between.
okay, okay.
All right, guys. So please be in touch with our executive. She will tell you the regular class timings. This is the number. Please note down. Okay. She will reach out to everyone. Thank you. Let's meet on Monday.
Yeah.